What do we mean by restoration? It is simply a process of bringing something to its original condition. So, when we say ecosystem restoration, it is reversing the degradation of ecosystem such as landscapes, lakes, and oceans to regain their ecological functionality. Obviously, it is much needed as it will improve the biological diversity on degraded landscapes, increase the population and distribution of rare and threatened species, enhance landscape connectivity, increase the availability of environmental goods and services, and contribute to the improvement of human well being.
Ecological restoration is the process of assisting the recovery of an ecosystem that has been degraded, damaged, or destroyed. For this, we need to design and develop our ecosystem in a unique way where biodiversity can be restored and climatic change can be prevented. Grassland ecosystem is destroyed due to its over-intensive use, soil erosion, excess use of fertilizers and pesticides. To restore soil, we have to practice operations like reduced tillage, use of natural or organic fertilizers, and pest control methods. Growing more diverse crops and trees also help to restore this ecosystem. In mountainous areas, clearing slopes for farming or house can trigger dangerous erosion and pollute rivers. Soaring temperatures are forcing species, ecosystems, and people to adapt or move. This can be arrested by planning dams and roads to avoid fragmenting rivers and other habitats. Sustainable farming techniques like agroforestry can also be adapted. Freshwater ecosystems are degraded due to pollution, overfishing, infrastructure, extraction of excess water for irrigation, industry, and homes. This ecosystem can be rejuvenated by halting pollution, treating waste, and reviving aquatic vegetation. Marine water ecosystems are under assault from pollution, climate change, and overexploitation. This ecosystem can be revived by treatment of sewage and other waste, avoiding plastic trash from entering water. Coral reefs, mangroves, and seagrasses must be carefully managed and actively restored. Desertification of forests is due to logging, firewood cutting, pollution, invasive pests, and wildfires. This ecosystem can be revived by replanting and reducing the pressure on forests so that the trees regrow naturally.
Dear students, we should understand that ecosystem and its biodiversity still holds the key to life on this planet. The problem is clear. We know we need to reduce our emissions and draw the existing carbon out of the atmosphere. We should start with small but effective steps like switch to organic food from inorganic, use of natural fertilizers, recycle water, stop deforestation, etc. For this, we need the whole ecology of humanity to stop damage and start the repair. We at DSK School celebrate the World Environment Day every year with great enthusiasm to spread awareness about environmental protection.
Let's see what we can do. Save the planet for me and you. Let's see what we can do. Save the planet for me and you. EARTH. Planet Earth is a happy place. EARTH. Planet Earth is a happy place. Let's see what we can do. Save the planet for me and you. Let's see what we can do. Save the planet for me and you. is for environment, keep it clean. If we stand together, we'll make the best team. A is for the animals that we love, swimming and walking and flying above. Let's see what we can do, save the planet